Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I wanted to show you. This is already ready. Let me see if you could see it. Okay, let me put it out better. I think it will be better. Okay, look at the heavy roots. Remember I tell you it had roots? Look at that. This one is ready to plant. Oh, sorry. This is ready to plant. They're ready to grow. And look at that. It still gave flowers. Look at the shine in their leaves. They are beautiful. So I'm going to plant this one. I'm going to see if I could do it today. If not today, tomorrow for sure. And this one is starting to have roots also. Wait a minute. Let me get it right. Okay, there. This one is having roots also, even up to here. So this one I probably planted all the way up to here because it has roots up to there. And the plant is doing good too. It doesn't have flowers right now because they fell off right there. But they'll eventually get more flowers. They'll be growing and be getting more flowers. This one was a little bigger. That's why they lasted more and has more flowers. But as you can see, right there in the middle right here, right there where I got my finger, it's growing. What that means, oh, and it has a little, let me see if it's true. No. I'm confused. Okay. And no, I thought it was a little flower coming out, but it's not. It's growing. Now as it grows, it's going to be giving more flowers. You know, sometimes they get a little strained. This one is small. It wasn't like as big as this one. But right now it's giving also, how you call it, leaves. So I'm going to see if I could get this. I think they come in different colors. I'm going to see if I could find out. And I could kind of buy different ones, you know. So who knows? And hold on, I haven't finished. This one, as you can see, also is full of. Let me see if I could take this one out first. They get stuck. This is what they call pennyroyal. Pennyroyal is this. You cut them, you boil them. They smell delicious. They smell like lemon. You boil them and you use it for your stomach. For stomach aches, I call something you ate that went wrong. All of that, it takes care of it. Now, as you can see over here, wait, let me see if I could catch you. Okay, right there is growing its roots. As you can see there. I'm gonna want it to have plenty of roots. Because I notice if I take them too young like this, they tend to die. So I'm not gonna take them too small like that. And let me take out the other one. Look at this one. Ha. This one got plenty, but it all depends on which one because it has 3 in there. Hold on. I tied these 2 up. I don't know if they're dying or living. I have to separate and see which one is giving the leaf. How you call it? The roots. So, whichever one, I think it's the big one though. Because I see, like, if you see, hold on, their leaves, look how beautiful. So most likely it's that one only. And the other 2, they look like, why can't I focus today? I don't know what's wrong. Okay, do you see the 2? They look like they're dying. So, I call it. I was going to plant them this week early, but we had a death in the family. So, you know, I had to dedicate myself more to that. But now, if I don't do it today, I'll be doing it tomorrow because I'm catching up on every work in the house, you know. So, saying that, God bless you all until next time. Bye-bye.